It's a husky.
Curtis. What are you doing, buddy? There's Gus. Gus.
I mean, Gus, really, I don't know. I feel like sometimes Gus is really, like, streamlined.
Well, they can speed up their metabolism, fucking dogs.
Yeah.
They have an empty.
We learned that in Dogs 101 about how the Huskies can do that.
Bernie, what's up, man?
I learned it. I don't really know that much.
It was Dogs 101. We saw the Husky on there.
Toby.
Drool it everywhere, Toby. Bernie, you need to speed up your metabolism.
That's it, Sherlock. He's gonna die of a heart attack. We're just gonna come home someday and he's gonna be out.
It's so hot out here.
Bernie has this, like, little, like...
Yeah, it's a lump.
Back there, lump.
He's had it for a while.
It's mushy. I'm not worried about it.
It's kind of hard. Look at this. Gus, the Huskies are here.
They're all playing there.
Look at them all. Jesus, it's like these general...
Gus! Gus!
Oh, boo-boo.
Curtis. Tired?
Lazy ass.
It is kind of late. I haven't seen Curtis for a while.
He's a big boob now.
How old are you now?
He'll do what? 2?
Yeah.
He's my favorite puppy. He looks like a
so
little
keen
kid.
Boo boo.
You're not Drool hanging.
Boo boo. Bernie. Bernie.